These are today UEFA Champions League predictions, and we have games between Lazio taking on Bayern Munich away, and then also PSG away with Real Sociedad. So let's get started. The first game we have here is a game between Real Sociedad are taking on PSG, and my prediction here is full-time draw. These are my own prediction. You can also drop your predictions in the comment section. The next game we have is a game between Bayern Munich taking on Lazio, and my prediction here is that both teams to score at full time. These two games will give you a total of 7 odds. So kindly bet responsibly. But I'm not gonna add them with my today's prediction, so I'm gonna remove them. I've also selected the over market, which I also played today, and the total of 27 matches. You might think this is too much of a long ticket, but I believe this game will sell through. And if you don't want to take them all together, you can divide all this game into as 2 or 3 tickets based on your own mind. So a total of 27 over market over 1.5 throughout. So kindly bet responsibly. I don't want to make this video too long, so just go ahead and stake this game. Total of 249 odds with a 1000 naira stake will give you roughly 390,000 naira. Is a good stake. I've already staked my own, so go ahead and stake yours. I don't want to go through all these games one after the other. Mostly you have these games in the Portugal under 23, then England League One, League Two, uh, the Amateur League. So go ahead and play these games, and then a few games in the Wales division and also Italy Serie C. That is where you have the under 3.5 goals. So I think it's only one under 3.5 goals in this ticket in Italy Serie C. So that's all. This is the booking code for the Sportybet booking code. So I'll go ahead and convert this game to into other platform like OneXBet and the rest of them. So let's try and convert this to OneXBet so that users will find it easiest to load this game. So wait for us. Then I'll also try Bet Niger and also what is it called? This game Betway South Africa. Okay, this one is bet global code for this game. Just be patient while this is loading. You can use this opportunity to like this video, hit the like button, or also if you have not followed this Facebook page and also subscribe to this channel, this is the right time to hit the subscribe button and also the follow button. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and also I believe this game will bring profit to us. Okay, this conversion sometimes take long when the game is long, so we have to be patient, and also share with us where you are watching us from in the comment section. So if you have watched this video till this moment, it means that you love this channel. Thank you so much, and I believe we'll make profit here together. This is the booking code for those people using OneXBet. Let's go ahead and convert it to Bet Niger. Yeah, Bet Niger users. Um, So this Bet Niger booking code loading. So let's wait while this convert. Then the next one will be um, Betway South Africa if they have these games. Yeah, this is a Bet Niger booking code for this game. Then the next one will be Betway South Africa for my South Africa viewers. Um, if you are from other country, I believe Sportbet is in your own country. If it's not, you have to select this game manually. Um, though the game is much long, so but you just have to be patient and select them manually. And other thing, you want to join our VIP and win daily, kindly check my WhatsApp link in the comment section. Okay, this is the Bedway South Africa booking code. So guys, that is all I have for today. Kindly